Oh boy. A pumpkin?
For muscle cramps and spasms, TheraWorks absorbs quickly for relief. So get back at it.
Oh my God.
Fast muscle relief, TheraWorks.
Oh my goodness.
Try TheraWorks and get back at it.
He's got a
One of my favorite supplements
handle on it.
Cunol Turmeric. Turmeric helps with healthy joints and inflammation control. And Cunol has the #1 doctor recommended form of turmeric. Cunol, the brand I trust.
Only from SimpliSafe, 24/7 lifeguard protection. This
He
is
does
SimpliSafe
not
technology allows SimpliSafe agents
want
to stop crime in real time.
Rufus to have it.
For instant intruder deterrence and faster police response, there's no safe like SimpliSafe.
Looking for a way to stretch the dollar? With Insurify, you can cut your car insurance bill in half. Scroll through dozens of prices and tap to switch online. That's it. No phone calls and no wasted time. Go to Insurify and save today.
Since the devastation of October 7th,
Uh-oh.
I've been on the ground reporting on the raw realities of this war firsthand.
Get it! Rufus, get it! Get the pumpkin.
These are my stories.
Get it!
Good evening, I'm Chris Gallagher. It's 11 p.m. on the East Coast, 8 o'clock in Los Angeles, and this is America's Late News, Fox News at night. And breaking tonight, one person dead, 23 others trapped underground for several hours at a Colorado mine after an equipment malfunction. The very latest on that in moments. Meantime, Hurricane Milton carving a path of destruction in Florida. 17 people now confirmed dead. Major flooding in some areas and more than 3 million still without power. And strong winds even ripping the roof off Tropicana Field, home to the Tampa Bay Rays. Plus, after days of condemning so-called misinformation, the White House suddenly has no information.
Oh, Elwood. You're doing so good with that. Get it! Get the pumpkin! Get the pumpkin!
Get it! Wow!
How do you not have those answers prepared?
You don't want, Rufus,
We'll get it, pumpkin. Hold on.
he's playing with it like a basketball.
Squeaky.
Just weeks after the botched Afghanistan withdrawal was charged with an election day terror plot, and the White House is having trouble answering
Get it,
it.
Roof.
The senior national correspondent Kevin Cork is live in D.C.
Oh, guys, don't
Yes,
worry.
Kevin, good evening. Evening, Trades. DHS Secretary Alejandro Mayorkas repeatedly refused to
Get
answer
it.
questions today from Fox's Jackie Heinrich
Get it, Rufus.
about that Afghan national who was accused of an election day terror plot on behalf of ISIS. Nazir Ahmad Tafedi
Get
was
it.
arrested and
Trying to
charged
think
with
it.
conspiring and attempting to provide material support to ISIS and receiving a gun to be used to commit a felony or a federal crime of terrorism. Now that arrest comes amid ongoing concerns about the vetting of those brought to the U.S. from Afghanistan after that terrible withdrawal.
Oh,
And
he's
also
teasing
before
ya.
that, it adds to the worry about vetting
He's
the
teasing
mass
ya.
influx of illegal migrants coming across our southern border, or lack thereof. However, Mr. Mayorkas, who was in North Carolina to focus on the aftermath of Hurricanes Helene and Milton, wasn't talking.
Mr. Secretary, how was this man brought into the U.S.?
Nothing to grab
What
on.
screening did he undergo? What did he apply for to get here?
Oh, he's gonna, and, oh, he's got the handle.
Get it, Roof.
Get it, Rufus.
Still conducting search and rescue operations. I'd be very pleased to answer your question in a different setting, but we are here to talk about
Uh-oh.
support that we can deliver to people in desperate need.
Now, after the exchange, a senior administration official told Fox that Mr. Tafedi was screened at least 3 times. This story's not over yet, Trace. Not yet at all. Kevin Cork live for us in D.C. Kevin, thank you. Meantime, the Biden-Harris administration is continuing to beat the drum of misinformation, saying Trump and his allies are spreading lies about their responses to Hurricanes Helene and Milton. Christina Coleman is live in Los Angeles with more on this. Christina, good evening.
Good evening, Trace. As back-to-back hurricanes battered parts of the East eastern seaboard and Bradley communities. VP Kamala Harris and other members of the Biden administration
Whoa.
are spending their time on various media outlets talking about
You just figured out
misinformation.
it squeaks.
It is dangerous. It is unconscionable, frankly, that anyone who considers themselves a leader would mislead desperate people to the point that those desperate people would not receive the aid to which they are entitled.
Get it, Rufus?
Republican Governor Ron DeSantis has been on the ground in Florida, actually dealing with the crisis. He also called out Kamala Harris by saying she's politicizing the hurricanes and this dire situation by trying to reach out to him during this ordeal.
Although I've worked well with the president, she
Uh-oh.
has never called in Florida. She has never offered any support. I don't have time for those games. I don't care about her campaign. Obviously, I'm not a supporter of hers, but she has no role in this process. And so I'm working with the people I need to be working with.
Also, this criticism over Kamala Harris comes amid growing concern over the federal
Get it.
government's ability to provide relief to
Get
hurricane
it.
victims after DHS Secretary Alejandro Mayorkas warned that FEMA doesn't have enough funding to make it through hurricane season. Very concerning. Trace?
Yeah, Christina Coleman live for us in Los Angeles. Christina, thank you. Let's bring in Princeton University political scientist Lauren Wright and National Review staff writer Caroline Downey. Thank you both for coming on. It's great to see you.
What is it?
Back here in
What is it?
Here's a little more on Jackie Heinrich and the DHS secretary. Watch this and I'll get your response on it.
Rufus, get it.
Appropriate steps have been taken to
He wants you to grab it.
these kinds of threats because the outstanding question is whether this man was radicalized before the U.S. government brought here or afterward. And people should be concerned about that.
Jackie, your persistence in questioning can be matched by my persistence in answers.
Yeah, 3 times he would not answer. It's kind of
Damn.
like good and ready. We'll tell you what they mean. I mean, what do you think about not
Make it squeak.
on this?
It's a really fair line of questioning, and it's an issue he should have been prepared to answer because this stuff really scares Americans.